I'm Robin Zimmerman, and this is Talk of the Town. Josh Lieberman is joining us for our program today. He is the owner of Restore Hyper Wellness. They have a location on Hilton Head across from Palmetto Dunes, and now they've expanded to Bluffton because there's a lot of need, a lot of growth in your business. Why?
Well, everyone's looking to feel better, whether it's something small, whether it's something big. We're in the business of proactive health. We want people to feel better so they can do more of what they love.
Right. So for the viewers that don't really know exactly, how you make people feel better,
Sure.
What are your services?
So we do things like cryotherapy and red light therapy or infrared sauna, even hyperbaric oxygen chamber. We have registered nurses and nurse practitioners on staff that help to guide people through the IV hydration that we offer. We offer skin health services too, like certain facials.
Okay.
So really wide array of services.
And so let's talk about the process. We were talking a little bit earlier about that. How do I kind of enter into this system? And you were talking about like a one and done is like a treat, but really let's look at more than just a one-time service. So talk about that, the consultation.
Yeah. So we do a wellness consultation, right? And really it's about getting to know who the client is, who the guest is, right? I have to better understand how you feel,
right?
What brought you in, how do you go about daily life, what are some of the struggles that you're currently dealing with or have dealt with in the past that you want to, advance over that hurdle, right? What can we do to help you? And so we define that problem, and then we give them certain treatments or certain sessions that might help them, overcome that hurdle so they can do more of what they love. And that might be fatigue, it might be stress, it might be managing their weight, right? So there's different ways that we can help in different avenues of everybody's life.
Are you finding one issue bigger than another? Like, is it stress, is it sleep, or is it just a whole plethora of things that people, want to, again, just feel better?
Sure. I would say one of the more common things that I see is fatigue.
Fatigue.
People come in and just say, hey, I just need more energy to get up through my day, and I want it to be more natural, right? Stress is a big one too, stress and sleep.
And do you think, back to the fatigue, do you think it's because of the world we're living in today with electronics and just information overload, and we Americans work, even when we retire, we stay so active and busy and even, continue to work. So what is it?
I think understanding that rest is important, right? Taking a break sometimes is good for the body to recover. If the body's always going, it doesn't have time to recover. And so taking that extra time and extra step to think about how we feel better from within and giving our body a break. So take that time to really go through and do an infrared sauna where you're sitting down away from your device and really just letting the body relax, right? And increase the circulation, let the brain kind of ease out.
So let's talk about your new location. Yeah. Where is it? And you're officially open.
Yeah, we opened about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
We're right off of Buckwalter Parkway. So we're near, around the corner of Buckwalter Parkway and 278. There's a Vineyard Nursing Home there. There's all care physical therapy that's right next door. So that's our prime location.
And Restore Hyper Wellness is a franchise.
Yes.
It is continuing to grow in the country. You're in Charleston as well.
Yes, we have 3 locations in Charleston as well.
Your demographic, talk about, who's your audience? Who comes to Restore?
Really, I don't want to limit it to any one person, but we can care for all ages, but for the most part, we're seeing people anywhere between 30 to 65, that come in, but there's that off chance that there could be outside that range too. Yeah.
And you mentioned the team, but just very quickly, you said you have nurses, nurse practitioners, aesthetists, I assume.
Estheticians, nurse practitioners, nurses, and then what we call our wellness staff that are trained in terms of how to guide you through our programs, our services, put you through, and make sure that you have the education and know how to feel better and how to use our services.
All right. So to sign up for that consultation, that initial time, would you all just go on the website, I guess?
Give us a call, go on the website, download our app, right? And come in and schedule, and it's going to be 20 to 30 minutes of let's just get to know you, and then develop and create a plan that works for you.
All right, good. And is that free?
That's free.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Josh Lieberman, who is with Restore Hyper Wellness, a new location in Bluffton, but they're also on Hilton Head. Thanks, Josh.
Thank you.